Adding a wishlist feature to your Shopify store can enhance customer engagement and improve user experience by allowing shoppers to save products for future purchases. Here's how to add a wishlist to your Shopify store. Choose an app. Explore the Shopify App Store for wishlist apps compatible with your store's theme and requirements. Popular options include Wishlist Plus, Swim Wishlist, and Wishlist King. Install and activate the chosen app from the Shopify App Store. Customize settings. Once the app is installed, configure its settings to match your store's branding and preferences. This may include customizing the wishlist button appearance, placement, and functionality. Integrate with theme. Depending on the app, you may need to integrate the wishlist feature with your store's theme. Follow the app's documentation or instructions to ensure proper integration. This may involve adding code snippets or making modifications to your theme files. Test the feature. After setup, thoroughly test the wishlist feature to ensure it functions correctly across different devices and browsers. Test adding products to the wishlist, viewing the wishlist page, and removing items from the wishlist. Promote the wishlist. Once the wishlist feature is live, promote it to your customers through marketing channels such as email campaigns, social media, and website banners. Encourage shoppers to use the wishlist feature to save their favorite products for future purchases.